Sterilizer questions answered. Tuttnauer sterilizer cleaning maintenance weekly, manual tabletop autoclaves, Tuttnauer. Items to have on hand: chamber brite soft cloth or sponge, drain hose, pail, gloves, non-abrasive stainless steel cleaner, steam distilled water. What is chamber brite? Chamber brite is a cleaning and descaling agent designed specifically for the cleaning and removal of water deposit, oxides and other sediments that are found in steam sterilizers. The material is a combination of acidic salts and additional cleaning materials. Chamber brite is not for use in the LR11 or any other pre/post vacuum autoclave. It is recommended that your autoclave be cleaned with chamber brite after every 20 cycles. Why is cleaning important? Cleaning is an important part of maintaining your sterilizer. Cleaning the autoclave chamber is a very simple, but important procedure to keep your sterilizer operating properly. If the autoclave is not cleaned regularly, dirt and debris will build up and clog the tubing and valves. This dirt can also be transmitted to the instruments during sterilization. In addition, a layer of dirt on the stainless steel chamber traps moisture against the metal and will lead to the chamber becoming porous and failing. Important things to remember: never use bleach, steel wool, a steak brush or anything abrasive to scrub or clean the chamber. Do not sterilize instruments during the chamber cleaning process. Before using chamber brite, the autoclave chamber must be cold. If the chamber is hot, chamber brite will react and give off an odor. All steps in this procedure must be completed without interruption. Step 1. Remove all of the trays from the autoclaves. Step 2. Remove the tray rack from the autoclave. The tray rack is easily removed by squeezing it in on both sides while sliding it out of the autoclave. Step 3. Open the appropriate amount of chamber brite packages and pour a line from the front to the rear along the bottom of the cold chamber. Avoid leaving a pile of chamber brite in one spot. Step 4. Make sure the water reservoir is filled with steam distilled water. Set temperature to 273 F. 134 C. With the chamber door open, turn on multi-valve clockwise from 0 to fill water. Water will begin to flow in from the back of the chamber. Monitor the flow until it gets to the indentation line at the front of the chamber. Turn the multi-valve to sterilize close and lock the door. Step 5. For Valuclave or any MK models, set timer to 12 minutes. For all other M models, set the timer to 30 minutes. Step 6. The pressure gauge will rise to 30 pounds per square inch. When the timer reaches 0, the bell will ring. Immediately run the multi-valve to EXH plus dry, and the water in the chamber will be forced out and back into the water reservoir. Step 7. Once the pressure gauge reaches 0, open the chamber door and use the drain valve and drain hose to drain all of the water. Step 8. Tighten the drain valve. Refill the water reservoir with clean steam distilled water. Step 9. Immediately run another cycle the same way as before, but this time without chamber brite. This will remove any residue from the internal plumbing. Once the pressure gauge reaches 0, open the chamber door and use the drain valve and drain hose to drain all of the water out of the water reservoir into a pail. Step 10. Turn the autoclave off and allow the chamber to cool. Once the chamber is cool, wipe the inside of the chamber with a damp cloth or sponge to remove any residue. Step 11. Tighten the drain valve. Refill the water reservoir with clean steam distilled water. Clean the tray holder and trays with a non-abrasive stainless steel cleaner and water, using a soft cloth or sponge. It is important to rinse the tray holder and trays immediately with water to avoid staining the metal. Do not use steel wool, a steel brush or bleach or any cleaning agent containing bleach, as this can damage the chamber and trays. Step 12. Once dry, return the trays and tray holder to the chamber. The autoclave is now ready for use. Step 9. Wipe the inside of chamber with a damp cloth or sponge. The chamber has now been cleaned with chamber brite. The final step is to clean the tray holder and trays before returning them to the chamber. Clean the tray holder and trays with a non-abrasive stainless steel cleaner and water, using a soft cloth or sponge. It is important to rinse the tray holder and trays immediately with water to avoid staining the metal. Do not use steel wool, a steel brush or bleach or any cleaning agent containing bleach, as this can damage the chamber and trays. Once dry, return the trays and tray holder to the chamber. The autoclave is now ready for use. Sterilizer questions answered. If you have any other questions, call us at 1-800-762-1586 or email us at info@sterilizers.com. There is more information you can find on sterilizers.com, where you can call, email, WhatsApp, FB Messenger, or web chat.